Everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open your dollar bead bag and dollar bead box for July 2022. So two separate subscriptions. We'll look at the bag first. So the bead bag is $8 a month. You get 4 strands of 3mm fire polish beads and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish beads. And dollar bead bag subscribers can reorder July items through August 2022 for $1 a strand. Let's get them all in order. These are so pretty. Oh, look at that beautiful garnet one. There we go. I'll pull in so I can see everything nice and clearly. Okay, let's start with the 3mm. So we've got Crystal Apple Green Lumi, and I love this Lumi finish. It's so pretty. It's it kind of glows, doesn't it? It's not quite transparent. I'm trying to adjust my lights a little bit. But it's got a real nice sparkle. I love it. It's not quite matte, right? So it's a little kind of in the middle. Beautiful. Love that color. Crystal Carnation Lumi. Beautiful pink. Garnet. Gorgeous. This makes me think of the fall and winter and holiday. I know, we've got a way to go, but just beautiful. So pretty. And then we have metallic rhubarb. Let me take my ring off so it's not distracting. Look at that. That's gorgeous. All right, 4mm strands. Azure Blue. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Love. Matte Sapphire Maria. Wow, these are beautiful. Look at that. Look at that gold and the matte sapphire together. That's gorgeous. Love it. Dark pink. Beautiful, and look how nice it goes. That clear up. There you go. Wow, these are just beautiful. And then we have Crystal Apple Green Lumi. So we have the Apple Green Lumi in the 4mm and the 3mm. You know, I know I'm a broken record, but this is how I always collect beads, by getting the same color or similar colors in different sizes. Makes designing and putting together pieces so easy. Look at that, gorgeous. You know, it doesn't mean you can't use different colors together, but it's very helpful to have different sizes in the same color. Okay, I have a coupon code BRONZE2, $2 off your first bag or box or anything on their website if you're a member. I will link everything down below so that you can see if it's right for you. But check out the website anyway, even if you haven't. It's such a cool website. All right, I'm going to put this away and we'll grab the box. Okay, I've taken everything out of the box. And the cost for the box is $18.50 a month with free shipping and handling if you have a 6-month subscription. The less, as you go down, like 3 months is $19.50, free shipping and handle. 1 month, if you just want to try it out, $19.50, you have to pay shipping and handling. But you maybe just want to try out 1 box and see what you think. Again, $2 off coupon code for box, bag, or anything on any purchase, BRONZE2. Let's get a look at everything. So here are all the strands, here are the additional beads. I'm going to push the additional beads aside and show you all the strands first. These pretty purples and blues. 4mm check glass Druck, Crystal Burnt Maria, 50 pieces. I think, yeah, that's it. Beautiful. I love a Druck bead. Can replace any 4mm pearl, any 4mm round bead. Very pretty. Check glass pearl, 4mm, lavender rainbow luster, a pretty lavender color. Wow, that's beautiful. Love. And then we have 6mm check glass pearl, lavender rainbow luster. Again, you have your 4mm and your 6mm, just perfect for making jewelry. It's like it's already made for you because you know you can add these, because they're the same color, you can add them in a piece in different sizes with other colors. And it just makes, you know, making jewelry so, you know, so much fun. Beautiful. Love that color. 6mm squishy saucer bead. Amethyst. Oh, I'm sorry, like 50 pieces for the first one, 40 for the 4mm check glass pearl, 20 for the 6mm, and this is 42 pieces. I'm sorry, all the fire polish beads are 50 beads to a strand. Okay, here we go. Amethyst, very pretty. 40, as I said, 42 pieces, 6mm squishy saucer. Beautiful. And then we have 4mm check glass struck, transparent sky blue, 50 pieces. I love this color combo. Isn't it nice with the purples and the and sort of these pretty sky blue colors? Did I say how many pieces? 50 pieces. Beautiful. And then we have 8mm check glass cherry flower, antique gold. This is a little flower. Should we free them? I know sometimes we just have to free the beads, right? Let me grab a scissor and give you a look at these. Oh, wow. See, what a difference when you take them off the strand. Look at that beautiful, like, antique gold flower, 25 pieces. That's gorgeous. You wouldn't know it looking at it on the strand. It looks dark. Wow, that's beautiful. Gorgeous. Okay. How pretty that is. What a difference that makes. And then we have 6mm check glass Lucerna bicones. Cadet blue, 25 pieces. And these are just beautiful. I love their bicones. They're so pretty. You know, if you get a lot of boxes, separate them so that you... I know I always say this too, so that you have all your similar colors together. And you could do all your bicones together. Or it's amazing. You don't know what you have until you do that, until you take everything out of your boxes and you put them somewhere. Beautiful. Love it. Okay, so there are our strands. I'm going to grab the other items and we'll get a look at those. Okay, let's start with these 15 by 16mm check glass asymmetrical hexagons. Light jade opal with gold stripes or amethyst opal with silver stripes. I got, of course, the jade. I have 2 pieces. And you know, I love their focal beads. Next up, we have 7 by 16mm check glass 2-hole crescent beads. Copper vitriol, 6 pieces. Very pretty. I haven't used these yet, but it's time. They're just, look at that sparkle. Gorgeous. We have this 14mm check glass button bead, Siam AB2X. Look at that sparkle. 2 pieces. Love. These are gorgeous. And it's really beautiful. I love it. It's almost pink with the AB2X. It's a real glow on that on those beads. Okay, this is exciting. We have 14mm check glass cabochon, Celadon white, 3 pieces, and look at these cool little cabochons. I of course, when I laid everything out, I could see everything that was in here, and I see bead embroidery in our future with this box because these are so cute, aren't they? And look at them with the gold and these bicones and even the purples, just beautiful. Look at those, aren't those pretty? Love a good cab. Next up, we have 6mm check glass squishy saucers, Aqua AB, 10 pieces. So again, a squishy saucer bead, 10 pieces in that pretty aqua color. Isn't that gorgeous? Love those colors. Again, looks so pretty with these. Very pretty. This is an inspiring box. Okay, now we've got a 12 by 16mm check glass cabochon, blue with confetti, 1 piece. And isn't that cool? Look at that. That's so neat. That is really neat. So that's a 12 by 16. That's going to be fun. You want to bezel this, right? Or use bead embroidery. Put this on bead embroidery. That's really cute. Wow, love it. Now we've got some 8 by 10mm check glass cabochons, black with confetti. So these are 8 pieces. So we have the blue one and the black one. I'd put those right together in bead embroidery. That'd be so pretty. These are little teeny guys. These are very cool. Love that. It looks like confetti, doesn't it? Really pretty. Next Next up we have 10 millimeter check glass, check fire polish, jet vintage silver, 6 pieces. Very nice bead to add to a necklace. I love the jet with the silver. Isn't that pretty? Just like all around great little bead to add to, or a larger bead to add to anything. You can even make a pair of earrings just with this and an eye pin or a head pin. Love that sparkle, so pretty. Next up we have check glass cat, 11 by 17 millimeter. You get 6 of these 10 millimeter check fire polish, by the way. So this little 11 by 17 millimeter check glass cat, white with gold wash, 3 pieces. Isn't he cute? I'm, a cat lover. I have had cats and dogs, but right now I have cats. Look, back and front, so cute. Adorable. Okay, next up are these 6 millimeter check glass Lucerna bicones, matte smoke, 20 pieces. And the first thing I thought of was this struck bead, and as a beginning of something. Like, it's so inspiring, right? Because you already have some beads that go together, and then you can keep adding to it. That's like just how I design everything. So perfect little, the way they curated this box was great. So I love that matte smoke color. Isn't that pretty? And then last but not least, let me just grab the last piece, and this is a tiara cast clasp. This is one of my favorites. I have these in every finish. It's a 20 by 22 millimeter tiara cast temple clasp, antique silver plate or antique copper plate. Of course I have the copper. 1 set. That's a nice little addition. That's a beautiful clasp. Excuse me. All right, so here we go. Here's your dollar bead box. Hello. Wow, that is stunning. 1850. Goodness. Right, and here's your box. That's a stunning box. I'm loving these cabochons and these. Look at these. These are so cute. And the color story is really, really nice here. And here's your bag down here. Love the whole color story together. Check it out. Don't forget the coupon code BRONZE2 for $2 off any bag box or anything on their website, if you remember. Go there, see if it's right for you. But this is a really good one. They're always good, but I just love these too. So I love that pop of gold, and they're so pretty off the strand. All right, so I want to thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.